Look at my eyes.
Oh, there was some milk in She's like, going for the texture too. She's like, okay, this one's a little harder. Yeah, you can snitch. Ain't no taste. No licking the video. Press it down. Have you had beef? Oh, last night.
Did everybody get H?
Yeah,
touch my H.
I didn't get H. Okay, it's coming around.
But does it smell like
Babe Ruth? Babe Ruth.
Sorry. Have you guys had beef?
I haven't.
Okay, we're gonna be coming back around.
I need H.
Okay. Have you had H?
I can't even play this game.
what is the name of this game? What is the name of the
This game is called Dirty Diaper, where the chocolate is inside the diaper. You gotta guess which chocolate is melted inside without tasting it. Okay? And the list of names of different chocolates that were used are on this. Each diaper is lettered, and they have to guess the kind of chocolate for each letter.
You look like somebody that could be on a game show.
You had I, did you get B?
I need C and G.
You see C and G.
I can see you hosting a game show.
Yeah, I am one day. I'm gonna be on SNL.
I need A, B, D.
B? Here.
A, no, I have B.
You have
I
B?
need B. A. No, wait, I need.
Okay, who hasn't had I?
I haven't had
A lot of people haven't had
It's H.
Sorry about that.